Okay, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another tutorial lesson. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys a chord progression. Remember, we said a chord is a combination of notes, like two notes, a chord, three notes, a chord, four notes, a chord. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at chord progressions. When we talk about chord progressions, we are talking about how a song is supposed to go according to the pentatonic scale. Okay, so chord progressions, you can identify chord progressions using numbers, you can identify chord progressions using letters. Okay, but the most easiest way people communicate chord progressions is through numbers. Remember when we were numbering our notes? This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they were also identified by letters C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now we're going to be using numbers to name our chord progressions. Now, today we're going to be looking at the 1, 4, 1, 5, yes, 1, 5, 2, 4 chord. 1, 5, 2, 4 chord. Now, how is that being played? When we are talking about a 1, by the way, we're in the key of C, okay, on the white keys. Now, when we're talking about the 1, we're looking at the C, because this is the first note, okay? So the C chord is the C, E, and G. So this is the 1. This is the 1. You can as well call this the 2, because this is the root note, D. The root note is a 2, which is D. 1, 2. C, D. Okay, 2. You can call this a 3. The E note, the E chord is a 3. The 4, the root note is the F. You see that? The 5, the root note is the G. The A, which is the 6, the root note is the A, so the A chord. And then the 7th, which is the B. Very odd sound, but that's the B. And then back to the C. Okay. So now we're going to be looking at the 1, 5, 2, 4 chord progressions. That progression is being used in many songs, many gospel songs. Okay, we're going to be looking at two songs for example, in which the 1, 5, 2, 4 chord is being used. First of all, we'll turn our metronome, um, tempo, which gives us the drum beat. It's a 4-on-4 kind of beat. And let me see. This is the start. I'm going to regulate that tempo. Okay, I think that's better. We're going to begin, and the song title is Knocking on the Door by Nathaniel Bassey. Okay, so remember it's the 1, the 5, the 2, and the 4 chord. Okay, so it goes like this: 1, 5, 2, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4. Let's try that without the drum beatings. 1. This is the 1 chord. How do you easily place your fingers? There's a technique some people use. I'm just going to give you a short technique. When you put your first finger on the C, you're going to skip 3 keys. 1, 2, 3. And then you place the next, and you skip 2. 2 keys after that. 1, 2. Okay, so one short way we say that is skip 2, skip 3. So you skip 3 notes, you place on the 4th. The next you skip 2 notes, and you place on the 3rd. Okay, so this is the 1. Now we're going to the 5. The 5 is the G. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the G. Then we'll go to the 2. 2 isn't hard to locate. After C, which is a 1, we have the 2. So from 5, we go to 2. And after 2, we go to the 4th, the 4. This is 1, 2, 3. So this is the 4. So 1, 5, 2, 4. This is the right hand. 1, 5, 2, 4. Now let's introduce the drums and see how it looks like.